Okay, I just bought this snowmobile. It's a 2011 Polaris 600 Rush, and when I bought it, the previous owner had put, I don't know if you can see, he put LED lights in there. Well, what happens is the brights stay on all the time. I don't have any low beam, so I think I was reading on the internet, you gotta buy a resistor kit, I think. We'll see how this works. So let me get the panels off of it, and we'll see how this works, because on right up here, where is it? The light right there. You can't see it now because I don't have the engine running, but here's my high beam switch. And it doesn't matter if you have high or low beam on, and it's still on brights. So let me get the panels off and get that resistor kit on there. It's just like it plugs in line with the lights, and we'll see how this works, if it does work. Okay, let me get these panels off here. Got so much crap in my garage. Hold on, I gotta get the right wrench. Now I get this top off. It's kind of simple. You just take, there's two Torx screws down there. Take that off, and you slide it. You got to take these two pins out too, and the thing pops right off. Got an injured hand, so it doesn't help. Broke my finger. And we got a harness we gotta disconnect. Where's that? It's right here. Gotta disconnect this harness. Let me put you down. Disconnected. Okay, so there are the LED lights. And it looks like that's the original harness there. Let me try pulling that apart. Oh boy, can't do it, I'm injured. I don't want to pull too hard. Let me get my son out here to disconnect that for me. Okay, got my son out here. I had him disconnect that for me. So here's my harness with my resistors on there, and these got to be tied up somewhere because apparently these get hot, so I got to figure out where to tie those at. So I'm assuming that one goes there. I don't think it matters. That goes there. That goes there. There's my other one. This one plugs in. There. I don't know where the hell I'm going to tie this crap up at. We'll see how hot these things get. And that'll determine on where I stick them. Maybe I'll stick them a piece of Velcro to the bottom of the unit itself. Let me get this back on there and we'll see what happens. Just for let me open my garage. Dude, get out of here. Oh, I lost the harness. Where's my 6-pin harness? Okay, I'm gonna drop some over here. So let's see if this works. That should start up on the second pull. And it works. I'll show you the brights. There's the dim. There are the brights. So it works. Because I was wondering why I was getting the lights would never work. The dims and the brights, it would always be on bright. So that's the reason why. So this probably goes for any snowmobile. It needs a resistor for the LED lights. So that's just a quick little video I had on this. But I hope this helps you. I got the kit off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And yeah, this should help a lot of people, because a lot of people are complaining about not being, they put the LED lights in and their brights just stay on. So I've seen it on a few threads, plus on YouTube. But yeah, it's a good thing to install the LED lights to make a big difference. But they got to be done right. Alright guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. One thing I did notice is that these little resistors, they get smoking hot. Right there. They get smoking hot, so I'm going to zip tie these things right to the frame, because they get smoking hot. I don't want to leave them lay down by a hose or anything, because I mean they get hot. So just a word of caution when you're doing this retrofit. Make sure you keep these away from anything down there. They do hang down there if you just, everything just hangs. So I gotta zip tie everything up. So just word of caution.